Welcome to SoundScape Explorer, a simple, intuitive platform that allows users to explore and contribute ambient sounds from different locations around the world. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of the current prototype. On the left, you'll see a collapsible sidebar that allows users to filter sounds by type of sound, such as nature, urban, or human-made, and time of day, like morning, afternoon, or night. As filters are applied, the sound list updates in real time, showing only recordings that match the selected criteria. Each sound is displayed as a card containing the name of the audio file, its timestamp, and a play button for quick listening. These are sorted in order of upload or recording. To contribute, users can record directly within the interface by clicking the record button. This makes the process fast, streamlined, and accessible, with no need for manual uploading. SoundScape Explorer offers a new way to experience places through their ambient soundscapes. It's designed for travelers, field researchers, sound artists, or anyone curious about how different environments sound. This prototype focuses on simplicity and ease of use, but future iterations aim to introduce richer metadata, tagging, user profiles, and more ways to explore and contribute. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of SoundScape Explorer. You can try the prototype at harshiv.ch/projects/soundscape and contribute to this growing library of sounds.